Hi traders, in today's video I will show you how to read the market context using a free volume profile for NinjaTrader. At the end of the video I'll give you the free volume profile indicator working on a 100% free platform so you can start using the futures market today for free. What is context and why is it important? Have you ever tried to anticipate a breakout? Keep buying a level and the market just keeps ranging, or try to short a top but the market just keeps pushing higher? That happens when the context is different from what you think. Context is the market condition. It tells you when the market is balanced and you can buy the bottom and sell the top. When the market is imbalanced and to look for breakouts and continuation. Volume profile is one of the best tools for reading this context. It's not the only one, but it's one of the most used and the most accurate. How does volume profile show the context? It's very simple. If price is inside previous value area, we can expect to buy the bottom and sell the top at the key area. We can say the market is likely to range. If price is above previous VAH, we have a bullish context. We look for long opportunities. If price is below previous VAL, we have a bearish context and we look for short opportunities, especially at key reaction zones. Let's look at some examples. Example 1 is on MNQ futures. This is a D-shaped volume profile. So we can use VAL, VAH, and POC as our key levels. Let's draw VAL with the lower wick, VAH with the upper wick, POC in the middle. Let's say that these are our key areas for today's trading. Price opens inside the value area, taps our key zone, and forms a bullish candle. This is a possible buy based on context, not a full entry strategy. Always use your own entry rules. Price reacts strongly, pushes to VAH, breaks it, and now price is above VAH. And the context becomes bullish. Price pulls back to a key area, reacts with a bullish candle, and moves up. A nice buy opportunity. Then price comes back again, fails to touch the level, and breaks down aggressively right at the New York Open. Now the context changes from balanced to imbalanced down. Price retests, forms a strong bearish candle, and continues into a clean downtrend. A beautiful trend day with multiple sell opportunities. Let's take another example. This time on 6E futures for Euro USD traders. For traders who prefer London Open or Euro USD in Forex, analyzing the 6E futures shows the real volume. Let's choose this area as our key zone because the previous value area is clean. We have support based on VAL and previous lows. Right after the open, the price retests the low. We get the first green candle, but the reaction fails. Or the context shifts from balance to imbalanced down. It then retests our key area with a flag pattern and offers a perfect short opportunity. Another strong sell appears right before the London Open. When liquidity increases, price came into the key area and bulls tried to break it, but bears kept control and a clean downtrend in an imbalanced context started. Nice short opportunities in key areas. Important note, these are areas, not exact lines. A break of context means price must move away from the volume profile level and leave a clear gap or space with no choppy behavior. If the price is sitting on the level with no gap, the context has not changed yet. Keep in mind, this is just one example of how to use context, not a full trading strategy. There are many other ways to use volume profile and to read the market context. Now it's your turn to get the volume profile for free. You don't need to pay for a futures platform or expensive tools to have professional analysis. download the Hameral Basic Pack, also 100% free. Inside the pack you get free volume profile indicator, ETH, VWAP, delta bars, footprint, super oscillator, and more. This gives you a complete 100% free order flow toolkit to start reading real volume and real market structure. The free volume profile allows you to see VAH, VAL, and POC, show the price labels, customize the colors, flip the profile if you want, and integrate it perfectly into your charting template. It's yours for free, no paid subscription, no license. If you enjoyed this video and you want more content like this, subscribe and leave a comment saying, "I want more." Thank you for watching. Grab your free tools from the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.